Hi, I'm Bruce Greenwood. I live in Orangeville, Ontario, just north of Toronto. Drove down here 12 hours. 2000 Trans Am convertible. I bought it new. I've had it for 23 years. I drive it everywhere. Then Route 66 for 7 weeks. Toured Canada last year for 6 weeks. We drive it everywhere we go.
And you bought it new?
I bought it new. I have the receipt inside the car, including with the brochure.
Any modifications or anything?
Not a thing.
Bone stock.
Bone stock. I put a new muffler on it last summer. First time I've done a serious repair other than brakes and tires and gas,
How many
oil.
miles?
In your world, 160,000. In my world, about 250 kilometers.
Okay.
It's been fun. We enjoy it. My wife and I go everywhere with it.